Hey guys, so I am going to just quickly show you what I want you to do for your virtual learning log. So this is the learning log you're going to see attached to the assignment for each day that we have a white day. You don't have to put your name here because it'll automatically tell me who it is, and you don't even need to put the date. So I'll actually probably erase those, but either way, it's going to tell me where it's coming from because I know who you guys are when you turn in the assignment. Either way, you're going to, for each class that you have, fill out one of these rows. So if you have your stats class and then American history and bio and all that stuff, you're going to fill in the class name, what was assigned to you the previous 2 days, because if we're doing it on a white day, it might be that you go ahead and look at all of your assignments and figure out what it is. And the last couple of days, you're going to let me know what was assigned and what progress you've made. So if you completed everything, you could tell me what was assigned here, completed all my work, it's already turned in, or finished the first two things, need to complete, items 2, 3, and 4, or 3, 4, and 5, whatever it may be, for what your progress is. This is an okay place for you to potentially put questions or technology issues you've had, but if it's an emergency and you need to get the assignment turned in, it'd be better if you email me, and that way I can like touch base with your teacher or reach out to the tech people. But you can also call the technology office and talk to someone in the tech office if you're having technology issues, and that number is 359-5000. So that would be that would be the quickest way to get a hold of someone. So anyway, class goes here. What was assigned? What was your progress? And you're going to do this each day. We're not going to have a ton of other things for this class just because, as you know, it's kind of hard to do this class. We can't really have tutorials or anything like that. So I will probably assign a couple of short readings and some responses and stuff you have to do throughout the course of the next couple of weeks. But for now, all I'm going to ask you to do is let me know what you're doing for each of your classes and how the progress is going. All right. Miss you guys. Talk to you soon. Bye.